Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 8 of my UCS Millennium Falcon build. Last time, got this front section on, as well as this front leg, and a couple of other detail parts inside. So, now let's continue. Okay, looks like I got everything sorted here, so let's get started. We got the minifigs here first. We got Han Solo and Princess Leia. They got faces with no masks and faces with masks, so that's interesting. So let's put them with no masks. Leia. And Han Solo, they're the young ones. I think there's the old versions of them in this set as well. And they get all the blasters here. I don't know if the blasters are just for them or they're for Greebling. So I'll put these. Doesn't show Leia with the blaster, so we'll put those over there for now. And then we have everybody over there. Okay, now I'm going to see what I can do about doing this over here, because I think I can mostly. Okay, so we have let's build the pieces first. And I have the ladder here with a bar, and then this guy here, clip with a stud on it, and that goes there, and then two of the I-beams with 4 pins in them. Okay. Let's get those things on here. Nothing else there, just the builds. And I've got these go over here, hanging down. And they don't. There's that stud there. I think that is, there's only, oh no, can I go there? Just can't tell if it goes across the two. Oh, it does. Okay, it does. It goes across the two. The black beam and the gray beam, and then the ladder goes over. Oh, it's these clips. There's these clips right here. And the ladder goes in there. Or does it? Faces that way, so I don't know how high up it's supposed to go. Well, it looks like it's about like there. Was that clip supposed to go there? I think that's supposed to go there. And we'll put that right here. Okay. Now we got another big piece. I forgot there's 2 more of these. Okay, so now we have a big section here. So that's good. Get some of these pieces off the board. Okay, there we go. We got that, and then this 1x6 brick. Okay, now we have the 1x, sure these are 1x16s, yeah. The 1x16 Technic bricks, which I think are, they're pretty great. Okay, I don't know how accurate this is. It's 3, so it's supposed to be there, I think. So, okay, so it is supposed to be level there. And now the other side, it looks like. I have a stud pin and pin. And they're separated by 1 space. And we also have this guy with a pin and a long blue pin. Oops, that's right. That goes in there, and then we put the other pin here. So it's like that. And then we have 3 rolling pins with pins on either side. I call them rolling pin pieces because I think that's the first time I saw one of these pieces used was for a rolling pin. So to me it's like forever the rolling pin. Okay, so 1 goes here. Okay, and 1 goes here, 1 goes here. Ta-da. And then that hooks in like that. No. Like that. Okay, that's what we have there. And now, no, not this one. We got this plate, this beam, a couple of these slopes. Like that, and then that is actually going to connect up there. Okay, now we got some frame here. This guy goes in here, on the end here, and then last one of those bricks goes in here. Is that right? I think so. Now we flip that over and we're gonna tile some off. We got the big plates here. And they go like that. And that one goes there. Is that right? Oh no, it's gotta hang over 1. To hang over 1 stud on that end. Okay. There we go. So now we got that, and then another one. Oh, we didn't get that on right. There's a bit of a problem with that. This is not connected yet, so there's that one. And then we have a 2 or 4x6 that goes right here. One of the big wings, and that should go like this. Okay, there's a space there for this one dark gray plate. Is this correct? I don't think that's correct. This is supposed to hang over like that. Is that the right one, or is there another dark gray plate? It's too longer. Well, there's this one, which isn't the right one, and the right color. Interesting. I don't know. We have the little wing, which is supposed to be there. Yeah, this is not adding up to me, but this isn't adding up. So this goes here, and then how is that? That would go there, and then this goes here, and then it's just straight showing. It's like, how does that work? Okay. Is it supposed to be equal on each side? Is it? No. It doesn't matter. This isn't long enough. These pieces don't add up to this one. And these are wait, are there shorter? Oh, there's two longer ones. Yeah, I grabbed the wrong one. Okay. I grabbed the two longer ones. I didn't realize they were bigger. They are. Okay, then that makes more sense. Okay. Now we got everything correct. And we can flip it back over. And we put on these guys. We got 3 of these dark gray plates go on the ends here. And then we have 2 of these, 1 of these, and 2 of these 2 guys. Okay, these are supposed to go around here. And this way. Lines up, and then this one goes that facing out, and this one's supposed to go here, like the other way around, and then I think that does just go there. There's 2 black square pieces. Okay, one goes here. That's gonna hold that in better, and then one goes over here. Okay, starting to get some more solid build in there. And now we have this gray plate, dark gray. Pop that on there. A square. We got more of these. So one goes here. And we have this 1x3 up there. And we have a square here. And then we put this plate like that. And a plate like that, and this was lone tan plate, and we have a 1x6 there not filling in that corner. Okay, now we're like that, and I have a 1x6 up here, I believe, if I'm correct. Oh, it's gonna hang over. Okay, and we have 3 grills that I have to put on over here. It's like this. No, these 2 go here. And then one goes here. Then I have 4 these guys again. And they face, well, this one's facing this way. This one's facing this way. Then I have the two dark gray square plates. Tan, and then this goes this way. So there's that one. Now what else do we have? Over here I need two of these plates. I have one of these over here. This goes there, and then another dark gray tile. And here's the other 1x2. That should be all the pieces there. Oh, no, that's the 3 grills. Okay, so that's those. Oh, we're making hallway pieces again. I see. Okay, we've got 2 of these with these in them. So like that. And let's get those in here first. So those go in here. Like that. And that. Okay, that's good. And now I have 4 of these tiles. 4 of these cheese slopes, and 4 of these guys. Or those plates. Okay, so these are gonna go like this. And we gotta just build out 4 of these. Okay, that's those. And now next one will be 2 grills and these 4 tiles. And they go around this hole here. Okay. Now we have some more of the stacking of these hallway pieces. Okay. I'm gonna do this 4 times. So we need 4 of these, 8 of these, and 4 of those, and 4 of these. I think that's that. I think it's 8 of these. Okay. I'll try to get these stacked up and slopes put on. That. I have to say once again, the build for these hallway sides is awesome. It's a great little design. Get that feature, I guess those padded sides there. I imagine they're padded. I have no idea. They could be just like hard plastic or something, but just being a spaceship and you run it through the hallway, maybe you hit yourself. Protect ya going through the hallway. No sharp edges. Anyway, we have a, looks like, we have to take one of these 2x3s and then 2 slopes, and what is that? Oh, the phone. The telephone headpiece here. And then that is gonna go over here. And we're gonna cover, we're just setting this in here? Is that, okay, that just sets in there, okay. That's a thing. And now we'll get this piece going here. Got a control panel piece, and then that goes there, and there's a frame or a panel. A green, trans green light there. And what do we have? We have, well, how did that get over there? And we have the G-slope. And finally, sticker number 7. So that's this little panel here. Okay. Use that guy to get it on here. There we go. It is the right direction. And then that guy goes over here. Okay. Now what do we have? We have a couple of these. That'll be for something to sit on, I think. Some grills. In different shapes here. And this jumper, this lone jumper, 2x2 jumper, and there's another grill here. And then we have 2 of these guys. They're going this way, and they have the computer pieces on. That just sits in front of that display. Okay, so there we go. That's looking pretty good right there. Now, I'll do some more stuff over here. We have this goes, oh, that goes on there. And then I'm supposed to take 4 of these studs, stack them up, and put a cheese slope on top. And that goes there. And we have 4 of the faucets. Okay, so they go facing, oh, they all face the middle. So these all face the middle. And there we go. That's in there. And oh, there's supposed to be 5 of these cheese slopes. We have 4 more to place. Where do they go? Oh, they're going over there. Oh, did I miss a cheese slope? There's a cheese slope over there that I didn't. Oh, there. Oh, it's this turn. So that cheese slope needs to go in there too. So that one goes there. One there. Leave 2 spaces, and then another one. And they go back to back. And then another 2 spaces, and the last one. Okay, so that's been part 8 of my UCS Millennium Falcon build. I've been building this room here. So we've got some control panels over here and some hallways started. Anyway, if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and take it easy.